Hello guys, welcome to my channel today, and in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to lock your WhatsApp account so that to gain more privacy on your WhatsApp. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. The first thing you have to do is to go to your normal WhatsApp. To the WhatsApp here is either a WhatsApp business or the normal WhatsApp. Then you click on there. The next thing you have to do is to go to that three dots where this arrow is pointing at. After that, the next thing you have to do is to click on setting. Once you click on setting, the next thing you have to do is click on privacy where the arrow is pointing at right now. Please watch at the screen. After that, the next thing you have to do is to click on fingerprints. You enable it. The area where the arrow is pointing at, you just tap on it and enable it. Add your fingerprint. You just have to add your fingerprint. So once you add your fingerprint, boom, that is it. So you have to select if it's after 30 minutes it will lock. Once you leave the app after 30 minutes it will lock, or once you leave the app after 1 minute, or immediately you leave the app, then the WhatsApp will be locked. So you have to select the one. So because of today's tutorial, I'll be just tapping immediately so that let's see how it will look like. So let me click on immediately. So let's see it. I'll be going out from the app and be entering back again. Let's see. So this is it. So as you just enter it, to ask you to unlock it. So the next thing you have to do is to just add your fingerprint. Once you just add your fingerprint, it will be unlocked. If it's not your fingerprint, it's not going to be unlocked. So please, if you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe.